Hey friends, it's Dr. Valentine here from Icon Dental Center. So we hear lots of misnomers, lots of myths every time patients come in. So I've got my awesome lead hygienist here, Kayleigh. She's phenomenal, patients love her, and she's gonna give you guys 3 big pointers that we want to just stop the rumors going around because it's not true. So here we go.
So number 1 is that you only need to get a cleaning once a year. I hear this all the time that people heard it on doctor TV shows. So that's not true. There's the bacteria below your gum line, and that bacteria becomes destructive to your bone and your gums every 90 days. So that's every 3 months. So I want to see you guys all at least every 6 months, but I'd love to see you every 3 months too.
I love it when you clean my teeth.
Yes.
Everybody should get their
She's
teeth
due.
cleaned.
It's time. So myth number 2 is that you don't need to floss. I'm sure you heard about that report that came out that said flossing doesn't work. But if you actually read the whole report, it says flossing doesn't work if you're not doing it properly. So come on in to see me and I'll teach you exactly how to floss correctly so it does work for you and you're not wasting your time. Myth number 3 is that baby teeth don't matter, and that's a huge myth. Baby teeth are so important for your kiddos. So if your kiddos are getting cavities and losing their baby teeth, it can cause huge issues for their permanent teeth. They won't come in properly. They could have cavities in their permanent teeth. So bring your kiddos in. Best rule of thumb is at their first tooth or at their first birthday so we can take a look at them. Kids tend to miss a ton of school due to dental pain. There's research about that. So bring your kids in so that we can take a look at them and take care of them for you.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Kayleigh. That was really helpful. We hope you find this helpful as well. And of course, if you guys have specific questions or needs, please give us a call. We'd be happy to help you guys, as well as, leave us comments and make sure you like and follow us.
Bye.
See you later. Bye.